A browser might be easy. All right. Okay. I'm not gonna. Just gonna. This is a recording right now, so I'm going to start from here. Yeah, picking an image.
Okay.
All right.
Yeah.
Picking an image from here. Come to featured image. Just select an image, and I want to pick something, an image, one of my images that are very light, because I don't want to use a very heavy image. Okay, this one is good. I think this one is good. This your images. If you're uploading any image, let it be highest 200 MB or 200 KB rather. It shouldn't be very large. It shouldn't be very large. If you cannot, what's it called, compress it, right? What you
Yeah.
need to do is send it to, maybe, um, send it to yourself on WhatsApp. Send it to
Oh,
yourself. Send it to yourself on WhatsApp. The picture will compress automatically, and then you can use it. But
okay.
remember to change the name, because once you change the name, once you download the picture from WhatsApp, the name comes out as WhatsApp something something something, some kind of funny names like that. So once you
Okay.
upload it here, it's gonna come here. Then you can actually publish. Then you have your new, um, chef in quote, part of the gang. So I'm gonna go back to the others, to the chef, to the other chefs. I'm gonna help you delete all. You can see my name here.
Okay. Yeah.
I'm gonna select all, uncheck mine, and I'm gonna delete, move to trash, delete the remaining because they are not important. I'm gonna go to trash as well and delete all because they're gonna occupy space, and we do not like
Okay.
things occupying space. So we have only me here. So I'm gonna go to the about page. I'm gonna refresh this page. Let me update it first. I'm gonna refresh this page because I'm sure it won't load automatically. It has to just refresh because I just added a new, chef. So if this worked well, my face will show on your website.
Mm, okay.
So you can easily just go delete it out and add yours, add yourself, add your team. Not necessarily have to be chefs per se, but of course your team. Okay, all right. Okay, good. I'm going to
Yeah.
click here. I think this is the place. This is the team. I'm going to click clear. So this particular position, you said chef style. I'm going to leave it as 4 because I like the design that was showing that time. Then
Okay.
select chef member. I'm going to slide down. You can see my name here, Matthew Hans-Bello. I'm going to click it, and it's going to pop out and show me here, right?
Okay.
So
Yeah.
that's what you're going to do for yourself. You're gonna add yourself and your team members on this particular place. You click on add new, then you add yourself, add all the information that is required, your socials, your name, and your picture, right, in this particular platform. Then when you're done adding it, or adding all of them, depending on how many you want to add, you can just come to this particular location behind the text. Come to this particular location, click on this place here, then just, what's it called, direct, click on the person's face that you want. Because it's only me that is here right
Okay.
now, it's going to be here. It's going to show itself. If you have more than one employees, right? You can add. You can have more than, I think it's one, two, three, four. It does just 4 slots in this particular place. But if you want to add more or more of them, you can click. See this button here. This like a pencil sort of. Uh,
Yeah.
you don't right click on it, right? Then click on duplicate. It's going to pop out another one. It's gonna pop up on that one. So this other one too, you just add that image again. My face is filling your website. So 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 you just do that. You just do that for as many as you want, right? Then
Yeah.
also you I'm sure it's not just burger you do, right?
Yeah.
So you edit every single particular location that is not required from the top to the bottom. Say who are we? You can decide to leave that or unless you want to change the idea or the structure of that. You can say who are we, right? Then you can say if you click on it, click on it, then you look here. Right? You can see the
Yeah.
information that is actually here. Say best burger ideas, traditional and blah blah blah. You can use the same kind of structure. You can say best food ideas and recipes from blah 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 blah. You can add more information. Same thing with this particular place. Click on it. See it pop immediately. You click on it by the left. It pops out some information. So that's the information you will now edit. You can decide to tell a story here depending on what's on your mind. And you see this,
Mm-hmm.
then there's this play video here. You can see it. Also click on it, right? Then maybe
Yeah.
for example, you have maybe a video on YouTube, you have a video on Vimo or whatever social, not every social platform, maybe just streaming platforms, right? Um, YouTube or Vimeo. But if you, yeah, YouTube or Vimeo, if you have a video on YouTube per se, right? Let me go to YouTube. Okay, no, this is my channel. Let me go to YouTube. Let's say you have a video on YouTube already uploaded, or maybe that talks about food, or you want to share an information. It may not be may not be yours exactly, right? But it has to do with maybe food per se. If it is yours, it is better. If it is yours, it's better, right?
If yeah,
If it's yours,
like
okay.
if I take like from someone else YouTube page, is it going to create a problem?
No, it won't. It won't.
Yeah.
Because it's still playing. It's still playing on YouTube, but it's playing through your website. So there's no problem.
Okay.
So what if you immediately you get, maybe imagine I just I'm going to use this particular video. Let me let it load. I'm not going to play it.
Hi, I'm Ismail for Santiago,
Let me pause it. Okay, I think this is the ad that is running.
Dominican Republic. I have an
Yeah.
interesting story to tell on how I became a software developer. In my technical school days,
Let me skip this. All right, pause. Pause. Ah, does not want to pause.
Mm.
All right. Um, I don't need the video. All I need is this link at the top, right? So
Yeah.
you copy the link. Okay. Go back to your site. You clicked on this the play video button. Then just come down towards this link here. Then you remove the one that is there and just paste the one that you just copied. Just paste it there. Then it's just going to be there. So leave every information that is there, unless you maybe want to change the color of the button. That's this one here. But every other thing, leave it. Right? Once if you do that, and
Okay.
every time you are on the someone is on your website and the person clicks on this video, right? It will just create. Let's do it so that you see. Okay, I think I've already opened. I think it's about us slash about us. Every time somebody clicks on that image, right, it does it's gonna give Yeah. Every time somebody
Okay.
click on this image, this what's it called, play video, you see what happens here. It gives like a dialogue box sort of, right, like a pop up, and now allows the person to play the video. Now the person is still on your website. You can see we're still on your website, but we're playing the YouTube video. So that's just the idea of
Yeah.
that particular button. So it keeps the person on your website for longer, right? Which actually helps you and helps your ratings, right? That which is actually good. Now, for every other thing, you can decide to change. You can change
That
this,
thing looks a bit
all this
technical.
secular, yeah. So you can change as
This
much.
is the slider you're talking about.
The what?
Slider revolution you're talking about. This one.
No, no, no. This is not. This is not a slider resolution. I actually trying to. I'm wondering where this big bugger came from. Anyways, I'm trying to find out where it came from at the moment because looking at this, it's not actually here. So that is that. We'll find it anyways. We'll
Yeah.
find it. So maybe it's hidden somewhere. Or
Maybe you refresh you see.
yeah, no, we'll get it. We'll slide down. We'll find it. I doubt it's not this one anyway. So you have a lot of options actually. I think these are pictures. These are images. So if you these are images, and I believe they are not um, similar with what you provide. So okay, I need to reduce that. Sorry. Um, these are images. I think this, and this. They are not. You don't really require them, but I'm going to leave them for you so that you have an idea in case you decide to do like a simple design of sorts. You have an idea of what you're designing, and you can just simply do a simple design for yourself and just place it on your website, or you can just easily come to this top here and cancel it. You just cancel it, everything here will disappear, everything in this line here will disappear. So it depends on you. Also, client reviews, testimonials, I believe this one as well. Okay, testimonials can be edited here. You click on it, testimonials. You come here to your left, you can see Nina Margaret. That means maybe she was the only one that was giving testimonies, right? So you click on the Nina Margaret, right? You can edit her quotes. Can you hear me?
Yeah, now I can hear you. I lost you.
Okay, yeah, a phone call came in. Sorry. Now for this testimonials, you can.
Yeah.
Can you hear me now?
Yeah.
Apologies, the person is trying to call. Okay, now you from this testimonials, just click on it. Then it comes to this particular place. This Nina Margaret. Just click on one. You can edit it. I love the food service and the structure of the products given. I'm just saying rubbish right now, right? So um, that's just the quotes. I slide down. I change the client's name. I'm gonna change the client name to my name, and I'm gonna add. Let me see, PM Hans-Bello Media, right? I can decide to change this image, but I don't want to put my picture again on your website. So, well, you can change you can change the image again. Same thing with the next one, right? It's actually very easy to change all these things. They have been made very
Okay.
easy. So if you actually sit down to do it, you can spend a lot of time. I'm gonna click on autoplay so that it makes like a slide. and I'm going to show navigator as well. Let me see whether the button for the navigator is nice. Okay, it's not too bad. All right. So when somebody's going to the website, it clicks by itself and it slides. It's the slide by itself, but a person can also click it by himself in case the person didn't finish reading something. So you have a lot of options here. If you want to add more testimonials, you can see this button here. You can just click on it and it copies it out, right? This button,
Yeah.
click on it and it copies it out. So you can now edit the new one. So it's actually very simple. That's for testimonials. This is just the about page. What again? Here, where all these places here, just click on one, come here, edit the image, edit the title. You want to add a description, that's more information. Description looks something like this. If you feel you do not like it, right, just stick with the top here. So it depends on you and what you want exactly. So but it's actually very easy to edit, as you can see. So let me check for something. Okay, I think I have seen something. There is there is a icon under the icon. So let me hide one first. Can I hide it? It's not showing. Can I hide it? I cannot hide it. Okay, let me do something crazy. I'm gonna add a plus sign here. I'm gonna take this and I'm gonna slide it down this plus sign. Is it gonna work? Nope, it did not work. All right. I want to get rid of that huge big bugger because I'm seeing it. I'm actually seeing it there. Or is it?
Yeah.
So okay, we can always do this later. Let me not waste time on this because of time. All
No,
right.
like if you want to put something else instead of the burger now, how will I get to that?
Okay, if you want to put something else, right? Just you can see that there's a plus sign here at the top of each layer of each column. There's a plus sign here. There's a plus sign here actually. If I come here, see there's a plus sign here, right?
Yeah.
This is the top. There's a plus sign.
Yeah.
If you want to add something, just click on it. You can add something at the top, right? If you want to remove, you can remove it. At the bottom as well, you can see another plus sign. Maybe you want to add other information. You want to add
Okay.
other information. So
But I'm saying the way the burger appeared, that it's like it's on the red
the border.
area. Yeah.
What border?
No, like on the about us page, the way it appears on the
Here.
like floating. Just go down. It's not here now. It's disappeared. No, like on the main, on the page itself, the live page,
The
the
live
about
page.
us
Okay.
page.
That's this one,
Yes.
right?
Yeah, this one, the burger now, on the red place.
Okay. This big burger.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, I'm
If
trying
maybe
that.
you want to change.
Yeah, that's what I was trying to. I'm trying to look for a way to get rid of this. So maybe I'll sit down on this later on later end, or maybe it's something quite different. Maybe I'm missing something anyways, but I'll get it. It's
Yeah,
always you're always gonna find it. No worries. You're always gonna find it, and always have time to remove it. So no problem about that. But you can just edit everything else, right? And
yeah.
you can always get to it later. You can always get to it later. So let me continue. Let me check something first. Okay, let's continue so that we won't waste time. Okay, yeah, that's for the about page alone. So you have time to actually do that and edit it very well. So let me, we're done with the about page. Let's go to another page. Now
For
this,
the pricing, where the pricing is, I don't need to go to the main dashboard like you went for the chefs.
okay, for the pricing, no, I think the pricing you have to, um,
You
it's going
just
it's going to be
edit
like,
on the page.
it's going to be like, do you want to put it on the main homepage, or you want to put it the on a different page entirely?
No, like I'm just saying on that about us page below there, they had a section which had pricing for the different products,
Okay. Yeah, you can
and
add
then
that if you want. You can add, but you know those places actually have, those are actually just regular images, where I told you that you may have to do maybe like a simple design of sort of to like create like a picture or an image rather, to before you upload that. If you want to add something there, or you can just easily remove it and add something different entirely. Maybe just a regular heading, then you can now put the pricing or something of that nature. So, but it depends on you. It depends on you.
okay,
So the contact page is also quite easy. Very easy as well. Actually, I think this should be like the shortest page you should have. Your contact information, your phone number, right? You can edit this
yeah,
one. Click on it, comes here, edit it. I'm sure this edit it to your own personal phone number, right? Or to your office phone number rather. Then the second one, next one here is another information, another phone number, right? Then your email address, right? Anyone that you want to put, right? Then get
yeah,
direction. Get direction is like your the house address, or the not house address, the business address rather, right? Then opening hours, of course, when you are open. Then you slide down here, then you have the map, and you have this information here. Then for this information here, please check whether it's contact 7, or here you can see it's a contact 7 form, right? I did a video on contact 7, so you can check that out. Editing contact
okay,
7, creating a contact 7, and seeing how to merely see editing it to the best way you can. This contact 7, the ID number is 5. So when you go to your pages, when you go to your dashboard, this from here, contact. Once it opens, you slide down. Then we're editing the contact with ID 5. That's this one here, contact ID 5. So this is the contact form for your contact page. All right, this is a contact form for your contact page. So you have to edit it, because you have to be sure of the information that is there. You have to be sure of the
yeah,
information, who is receiving the information, and the rest. So you can leave everything here. This may confuse you per se, but if you look through it, it's actually very simple, right? But where you need to change actually in mail and messages. So in mail, you come here, you have to change this here to your email address, where you'll be receiving emails. Okay. Then for
yeah,
this one here, you have to change it as well. You have to change it to the email address that you are going to create, the custom email address you're going to create. I've already showed you guys how to create an email address. I created a sort of demo, so you can check that out as well. You can check that out as well. Subject, new contact. You have to create, since this is it depends on the email you want to create. Depends on the email. It doesn't have to be this. I'm just doing this for an example. Wonderlandfruits.org. I've shown you guys how to create an email address. So go create an email address or whatever it is. Make sure you can't change it here. Then every other information can be edited here.
Okay.
All right. So
Yeah.
this is not perfect, but just get it
Yeah, I've
done.
seen like there are two contacts. There's the first contact.
It's ID 11. Then this one contact is ID 5. Well, it's ID 5 we're editing because ID 5 is the contact for this place here. So once you edit that one there and you save it, it records itself here. Now for this map, right? And the map
Yeah.
is going to be a little bit tough. It's going to be a little bit what's the word? You may not use it because you have to create a Google API key, Google Maps API key. Now that's a little bit what's the word now? Complicated per se, because it's not everybody that Google give their API key to, and even for those that have, is actually paid for. So for this map, I would just say leave it empty or just remove it entirely. So you can just come to this top here, right click on it and delete it out. But it depends on you. If you just want to have a map in that particular location, fine. But you are in Kenya, right?
Yeah.
Let's see if it's gonna work. Okay, I just put a Kenya. Where in Kenya are you in?
Yeah. Let me see. In Nairobi.
Okay, in Nairobi. Where in Nairobi? That's like general.
Now remove it because
All right, I'm gonna leave it. I'm gonna leave it here. So it's gonna just show the map of
it's
Nairobi.
just right now it's more online. Like I haven't really set a base yet.
Okay, and then fine. Okay,
Yeah.
if you have not set the base yet, but then it's better to just actually remove it entirely. All right, you can always add it back. You can always add it back. Um, you can always add it back, but for now, you can always just remove it out entirely. So you can just or you can just leave it as general Nairobi, so that it will be like your services are focused on Nairobi or focused on Kenya, depending on what you have in mind. So the contact,
Okay.
that's literally it for contact page. Contact page is actually very simple and very short. So you can please edit it so that to fit what you will have in mind, especially these places, right? And this also the contact 7 form area section. Next is okay. This is the one that we said was bad and we deleted. So we don't need that. Now this is I think the main one of the home pages. Yes, this is one of the home pages.
Mm.
I think this should be homepage 2 if I'm not correct. If I'm correct, let me find out first. Okay, what page is this? Let me find out, please. 1 second. Pages. I think this is homepage 2 and homepage 3. Oh wow. Okay, homepage 3 doesn't have anything on it. Homepage 2, on the other hand, is actually the main homepage. Let's confirm. Yeah, I'm correct. So
The three.
homepage 3 has nothing on it, so we do not need it. We can actually delete it if we want to, actually, because it's literally useless. So homepage 3 is useless to us, so I'm gonna trash it because it's useless. then our focus is going to be on home page 2. So what I'm going to do, just to make it a little bit easier, I'm going to edit the name to home page, so that it will be, we know that we only have one home page we're working with, and we know there's no confusion, or no confusion in that area.
Yeah.
Okay, this is the structure of Gutenberg. So when it comes to editing websites, you can check it out later. I'm gonna take this out and just say homepage, right? So that we
Yeah.
know. I'm gonna update this so that it saves. I'm gonna go back. The name is also gonna reflect here. Then from here, I'm gonna edit with Elementor. Okay, I already have it opened here, but it's not refreshed. So I'm gonna cancel this and wait for the new one I just opened to load. So it's actually very simple and interactive. Actually very cool, to be honest with you. You can see how simple it is. You actually sit down. If you actually say you want to edit the entire website in one day, you can actually do it. To be honest with you, you can't do it. Your about page, we've done part of your about page. Just some few tweaks you need to do. Your contact page is like literally the simplest. Your homepage is what we're going to go through now. Homepage is usually the toughest one, but that's why I mentioned everyone to have like a structure of what they want their website to look like. Once you have the structure of what your website to look like and what your information you want your website to look like, it's going to be easy to edit per se. I'm going to make it simpler. Now, just like the other pages, right? You already have the structures in one way. It says share your love for pizza. Now, we are not pizza. Our own is food. Share your love for food.
Pizza is part of it.
Pizza is part of it, but food is the main thing. It's not just pizza.
Yeah.
So
Okay.
so you can change all the informations that are here, and if you just hover over it and you see it's like inside the box, just click on it. You can edit it. Order online. Do you need it? Yes.
Yeah.
If you need it, if you don't need it, you can remove it. If you need it, click on it, then come to the left. You can see the link. You have to fill the link to maybe the particular page where they can order, right?
So I need to create a page for that.
Your ordering, is it going to be regular ordering, or it's going to be like shop login? Is it going to be like a shop?
What's the difference? Like, no, as in, like cut, like checkout cart or something.
Yeah.
I think it's like the checkout.
Okay. Okay.
What did you mean, like shop and the other one?
Oh no, the one is going to there's one that is going to be like maybe you're doing like a subscription or so. But I think this is food. I believe it's going to be like a cart,
Yeah.
right?
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah. So
Like
since
you.
yeah, since it's gonna be this since this is like a food kind of structure, then it's gonna be like a cart. So maybe you can just say you can put the link to the shop itself, the main shop itself, https slash slash, or sometimes there's shortcuts. Just write shop, will let it pop. Good, shop page pop. So just click on it. So it is wonderlandfood.com slash shop. Yeah. So that's it's gonna you enter and somebody click on this, it's gonna go to the shop page. So you actually this is actually quite easy and makes it simpler for you. So now, still on the homepage, you can say welcome. We make the best food in the town. Blah 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 blah. Get direction. Now for this direction here, you can take the person to the contact page, right?
Yeah.
Redirect the person to the contact page, so the person comes to the contact page instead. Then where else? Good look. All this information you can change them depending on what you have in mind. Here, order online, shop, reward, learn more, endpoints every time you order online. Uh, Endpoint in case maybe you have something like that, depends on you. If you don't have anything like that, you can please remove it. But I'm going to leave this learn more for the blog, right?
Yeah.
Going to leave that for the blog. Then good, you now have that testimonial section again. But this part, this one too, you must edit it manually, just like you did the other one. So please make sure your testimonials are similar in all the pages so that you don't have issues. Then now says download your app. Please remove this page, please. Remove it because there's no app, right?
Yeah.
There's no
Yeah.
app. So you can just come to the top here, but just come to this in front of this, or at the top of this space here. You see this X sign, just click on it, then everything here will disappear. I'm thinking include, okay, no, this one will remain as well. So let's connect. For this let's connect, right? It, it is actually a MC4WP. That's Mailchimp
MailChimp.
Mailchimp for WordPress. Now you can decide to connect your Mailchimp to this website through this platform. Because we're not teaching you guys what's it called, email marketing, I would not want to fully go into this, but it's actually a very nice tool to use when it comes to managing your customers. So because of time and all these kind of things, I'm not going to fully go into this. If you want to go into this later, maybe I'll do you guys a class after the program has ended. After the program has ended, so but you guys will pay
Yeah.
for it. It's not for free. So, but it's gonna be a separate thing entirely. That's if you want to.
How much does it?
Does it cost? It's not much now. It's just I'm actually trying to decide on the price. Yeah, your okay in dollars is actually going to be what's it called 20 40 40 not 20 40. That's 20,000 naira. It's going to be $40. So I don't know how much that is in your this thing. So depends.
It, it
Sorry.
it's about four thousand and something.
It's also going to be is like 4,000.
Yeah.
Ours is 40,000. Ha, Jesus, Nigeria. Nigeria. Our economy is going to is going to the trenches. It's going down the trenches. But
No, but you can make it better.
no, well, yeah, that's the plan actually. That's the plan. So
But you guys are good, like in like for technology, like
yeah.
computerized thing.
No,
You
we are.
are up there.
We are quite good, to be honest with you. Yeah, we are. But when you have old men that are extremely old and destroying your country, it's just sad. It's just sad. All right, let's continue. So
Yeah.
I think you can see the homepage is actually not much and it's easy to edit, right?
Yeah. Now here
Yeah.
is where I was searching for the menu to
Okay.
other pages.
No, no, I said that we'll do that will be like the last thing to do. So don't worry,
Okay.
we'll do that very soon. There's something that's I want to add on this page, which is going to be like the blog page, right? The blog page like section or area. So I'm going to add something for
Okay.
you here so that you have it. Where okay, here it is. It's already showing. It's here. So for this one, I'm going to add a space first of all. I'm going to add a space because I'm a designer. I like space. Gonna add a space. Why is it not adding? Okay, good. I'm gonna add the space. I'm gonna make the space 80. I'm gonna do it myself because it's kind of get annoying. Then make the space 80. Then I'm gonna add another structure again. Then I'm gonna search blog, food blog posts. Let me see how the blog post looks like. Okay, it's not showing. Okay. Oh, okay. It's showing quite a number. Alright, do you like this one? Do you like the way this one looks like? Or let me add the second one so that second option of the blog before, because I'm seeing food blog as well. Yep. Okay. Do you like this, the way this, the
I
layout of
prefer
this one?
the first one.
Okay, prefer the first one. Okay, good. So I'm going to leave the first one and delete the second one out. So now you have like a better idea of what this one looks like, of how the blog post look like on your. So it's going to always show. It's going to show the latest post. So it's a little bit. It's better that way. It's going to show the latest post, so it's easier for. Maybe you just made a post. It's going to now show on the homepage. So that's quite good. That's quite good. So can I add any other thing for you? I think I've done quite enough. I think I've done quite enough. I've gone too far.
It's not too far.
So you
It's a Sunday.
edit the homepage, edit the about page, edit other pages. You don't need to edit all the pages on the website. Just edit the ones that you feel are very important for now. All right, now
Okay.
we've edited most of them. Let me save it. Please always save it down here. Choose update sign. If it's green, click on it. When the thing turns to black or gray rather, right, then you're good.
Okay.
All right, I'm gonna cancel the page right now because we're done editing those pages. Okay, I'm gonna show you how to add your product. You have not set up your WooCommerce yet, have you?
Like how does one do that?
Okay. You in Kenya. I heard that since you're in Kenya, uh, Paystack is not in your country, doesn't work in your country, if I'm correct, and Flutterwave doesn't work as well, right?
Yeah, I think it's usually mostly M-Pesa, I think.
M-Pesa, right? I think it's M-Pesa that you guys use. Where is it? So I do not fully understand M-Pesa myself, right? So I can't really give you full information on M-Pesa, but I'm gonna say there's nothing you cannot find on YouTube. You may not find fully in-depth stuff, but there's nothing you cannot find on YouTube. that's the that's the funny thing. So I've been trying to understand it fully, right? But I couldn't really get to understand it yet because it's not like it's not the same. It's not the same with wait. It's not the same with the way our structure uses does. So do more with M-Pesa. So I'm trying to find a way of everything here is kind of a little bit funny.
And like what has it got to do with WooCommerce?
Okay, let me even ask this question. Does your country collect PayPal?
Yeah, I think PayPal
PayPal works fine in
we
your
connect.
country, right?
Yeah.
Okay, that means you can easily use PayPal for your website. But I'm going to show you why. Okay, M-Pesa actually it does have a plugin. Oh wow! And then our problem is solved. We'll just use M-Pesa then. Because M-Pesa is is local. It's like it's created for by your country, in your country, for your country. So it's a little bit easier to integrate. I'm going to show you why now. Okay, now when you go to
I
WooCom,
think they also sorry. I think they also connect the M-Pesa to PayPal. Like usually when you have a PayPal account, you can connect it to your M-Pesa number or something.
okay, then that's good, and that's good, and that's good, and that's good. So what you need to do first of all is to create an account with create your account on M-Pesa, right? Get your account rolling. Then when you come to, I believe you come to WooCommerce. First thing you need to do, of
Mm.
course, maybe set up the wizard in quote. They call it the wizard. A setup wizard. It's going to come out and pop up something like this, right? So I want you to
Mm.
fill out this form intentionally, carefully. Fill it out, every single thing. It's going to, I think it's like yeah, 5 pages. The store, what industry you do you in, the type of product you're selling, right? Then the business
Mm.
details, right? This theme, ignore it. The last one, when you reach the last place, please skip it, right? Please skip
Yeah.
the last page. When you get to the last page, please skip it because you don't actually require it, you don't need it. But please fill out the WooCommerce platform very well. All right. When you're done filling that very well, come to then go back to your product, your dashboard rather. Then see this product here. Go
Yeah.
to go to.
Just hold on. For the WooCommerce, you went to the you.
I just clicked on WooCommerce. I just clicked here on WooCommerce here.
Oh, you just click. Okay.
I just click WooCommerce.
Okay.
It's gonna open that particular platform because it needs I need to like give a lot of information. But those information is going to be important for when it comes to shipping and trying to make everything a little bit better. So I can't fully do what I want to do for you at the moment, right? Until you set up the WooCommerce going. Maybe on Monday, today is Sunday, no, on Tuesday, okay, am I sure? Tuesday I have meeting. Father, help me. God help me.
Okay.
Okay, on on
Yeah.
Wednesday,
He'll help you. He'll surely help you.
on
Yeah.
on on Wednesday, all right, on Wednesday, I'm going to have a class.
Mm.
We'll have a class, and I think no, WooCommerce has already been the class has already been done on the main. That's the main HostBeak. He did a main class on that, but I'm going to do a review class
Sorry,
for.
I lost you.
Can you hear me?
Yeah, now I can hear you.
Okay, good. The main WooCommerce, the main HostBeak creator guys, they did tutorials for WooCommerce. I think the video is on the cloud, is on the Google Drive, so you can check it out. But on Wednesday, I'm gonna do another class for you guys again, just to I'm going to do like a brush up for you people so that you guys will see everything from start to finish, and we'll see how we flow from there. So to add a new for now, let's just see how we add a new product so that you can add your own product and remove all these products that are here because these products are not your own, right?
Okay.
So all these products, since they are not ours, and there are just 16 of them, we're going to select all. We're going to move everything to trash and apply. They are going. All right, now they have gone. So we add our own product, the product that we are going to be selling. I'm not sure the one that you are going to be selling, but let me just add one, I'm gonna add a Nigerian delicacy or whatever they call it.
What is that?
Um, Let me say,
Fufu
uh,
is Nigerian.
is that
Fufu is Nigerian.
me? I said I'm gonna add a Nigerian delicacy, a pounded yam and egusi soup, egusi soup. Just to test too. You can add more information here about the food, right? I'm gonna add gibberish here. Then you slide down. You're gonna add the regular. You're gonna add the price. The regular price. Let me do it in the form of your country. Maybe I'm gonna say the regular price is 700, which sounds expensive. Um, no, let me leave it at, yeah, 700, which sounds okay. I believe. I hope. But we're gonna be selling it at the price.
$700.
So, no, 700. Okay, it's showing dollars here, but we're gonna change. Oh, we can't change it. Oh wow! Until you fully set up WooCommerce, I can't do a lot of things. All right, but I'm imagining that the price is in I think it's Pesa, right?
It's
What?
shilling. But no, I'll retain dollar.
Okay, you want to retain dollar.
Yeah, because dollar is like for everyone it's convenient.
Okay, okay, okay. Instead of selling the food 10 to 10, then we're going to sell it 7.5, right? Now the sale
Mm.
price should always be less than the sale price should always be less than the regular price. Um, why? When you go to shopping malls, let me see, handsteel.com. When you go to shopping malls, right? When you go to a shopping website, rather, you'll see that they'll
Yeah.
put one particular price, and you now see like a strike on that price. Then you now see a new price, as if they gave you 20% off or 10% off or something in that nature, just to appetize um, the person that wants to buy. It's a marketing strategy. It has nothing to do with sales. It's actually a marketing strategy. Now look here. Here I'm selling this hoodie for 6,000 naira. Right? I'm selling this hoodie for 6,000 naira. That's about $14. But
Yeah.
I said that if you look closely here, it looks like, I'm zooming it in as well. 6,000 naira. Here you're seeing 9,000.
Yeah.
Can you hear me?
Yeah, no, you can.
Okay, you're saying 6,000 naira. Now this is the price that I'm selling the hoodie, but I told everybody that I'm selling. Originally the price is actually the worth of the hoodie is 9,500. So I'm now selling it at a minus 37% discount, just to get them hyped up. Hype is a marketing strategy, so it's actually cool and important you do that. So fill it up with anything that comes to your mind, right? Filter with anything that
Okay.
comes to your mind, but always put the actual selling price here. So
Okay.
inventory, you can please leave this one here. Leave this one. Don't touch this one in stock. Shipping, you can add a class, but I would have explained shipping to you better. I can't explain it fully until you set up WooCommerce very well. A linked product, you can leave that one. Attributes, right? If you are selling
Mm.
clothes, maybe attributes have to do like something like color, size. If it's like hoodie now, but like this hoodie here, let's say I want to buy this hoodie. If I'm buying this hoodie, if I'm adding it to cart per se, right? But I need to know if it is XL, XXL, all those, if it's XL, extra large, all those kind of things. Why is it not even showing? Yeah, it's not showing. Let me go back. Let me check out. all those kind of information. Anyway, you get the gist. But
Okay.
all those things are quite important to note first before. Um, okay, maybe I only have XL for this or in the nature, but you see the structure. Those attributes are there just for you to get an idea of what it is. Maybe I didn't add the attributes for that one. Advanced, do not touch it. Do not touch this advanced. The remaining, leave it as it is. You can add more information here about the product. Then if you slide down, way down, you can to product image. This is where you add the image of the product, the picture for the product. If you have other images for the product, or you have other images of the food, you can uh, add it at add product gallery. So product image is the main image itself. Please note, product image is the main image itself. Product gallery are other images. We then to create like a slider or of sorts, or other information. You see, if I hover over this, you can see that like the image changes. You can see that the image changes, sort of. Right, that's what that
Yeah.
gallery will do. But the main image is the one that is the black here. So please note that if you don't put an image on the main image, if you don't put an image here, it's not no image is going to show. So please fill this one up with the actual image so that you can have something there. So
Okay.
that's actually just when you're done, just click on publish. It's going to publish. Then you can add another product again, add as many products as you want. Please do add as many products as you want. um, um, as you want here. So do that so that we'll be done with. Let me publish this actually, so that at least we'll have one product. We'll have one product on our website. It's not going to have image, but at least we have one product
Okay.
on the website. So we have that there. So now let's do the menu. That's the last thing I'm going to do. Let's do the
Okay.
menu. Now the menu, um, to add the menu is actually quite simple, or to create a new menu, because it looks like we don't have a menu, or it's possible we do have, but let us check. You go to appearance, then you slide down to menus right here.
Yeah.
Okay,
Yeah.
let it open. Now it loads. Now we can see that we actually have we have menus, but it looks like they're not active per se. We have menus, but it looks like they're not active. We have a footer menu. To check the number of menus we have, you come.
Again, I lost you.
Can you hear me? Hello?
Sorry. Just go back a bit. I lost you for a minute. Yeah.
Okay. To find out your
Yeah.
menu,
Now I can hear you. Go to the
right? To find out your menu, you go to appearance.
to the appearance.
You go to
Yeah.
appearance. From appearance, you go to menu. Anytime you click,
Okay.
let me go out first. Hold on. Let me go back. Anytime you come to appearance, you should have like a pop-up here. You hover on
Yeah.
appearance, you have like a pop-up here. Then just slide over to menu or menus. Click on it. Then it's gonna bring out this particular page structure. Now, here I'm going to open one of these. There, you can see at this particular section, you see select a menu to edit. In this particular place here, is showing footer menu, meaning that it's footer menu here that is being edited, that is showing in this particular place. But at the moment in time, we do not need a footer menu. We do not need it at all. It's actually the main menu we need. So we're going to click here. I'm going to click on this main menu here. Then I'm going to click on
Yeah.
select. Now that I've done this, I'm sure the next time that you come to this particular page is the main menu that's going to show, right? So now it
Mm.
shows here. I'm going to slide down and look at the main menu and look at the menus that are available. Now all these ones here, most of them here we do not need them because we can already see some errors in this particular place. So But I'm going to delete some of this information here because we do not actually need them. We're going to just put the ones that we require. You can always add them, and I'm going to show you how to add what's it called, a page to a menu. So we don't need this one, we don't need this one. Our home page is what we need this one here, so I'm going to leave it. Home 3, we don't need it. I'm going to remove this, going to remove this. About us, I'm going to leave it. Teams, I'm going to remove it. Blog, I'm going to leave one blog. I'm going to remove this one. Testimonials, I'm going to remove these ones. Fall form, I'm going to remove it. The shop, this one's from here, I'm going to remove them. Contact page, I'm going to leave it, right? And I'm going to remove selected items because I don't need them. So we just have our home page here, right? It takes us to our home page. We have our about us page, it takes us to our about us page, right? Let me, right? You can edit it. Blog page, which takes us to a blog page. We have a contact page, which takes us to our contacts page, right? So I'm going to add one more page. I'm going to add one more page here. I'm going to add the shop, right? So
Yeah.
to add a page to your menu, all you have to do is to come to this particular area here. You can see you can add a page. You can add a blog post. Actually, you can add a blog post here. You can even add an external page, maybe something that will take you to another particular website. You click on this custom links, right? Then you put the URL of that particular this thing, whatever the URL is, whatever the https maybe Instagram, whatever it is, whatever the information is, whatever it is, you can add it. Whatever the link is, just put the link here, then just put the title, right, or the link text. You just say Instagram, whatever it is, you can add it, right? Then click on add to menu. You're going to see that it's going to pop up at the lower part here. So, but I do not need it. Now let me show you. This is how to delete a menu manually. Before I clicked on this box select, then I clicked on it, clicked on all the ones I do not want because there were plenty. Then I clicked on remove selected item. Now, for example, that now is only one, it's just one page I want to remove. You click on this button that is down here. It creates like a drop down. Then you just hover over to the remove button here. Just click on it, then you can see that the Instagram page here disappears. That's for removing it. Now let's add one page. We're going to add a shop page. We'll just look for the shop page. You can see it here, shop page. Do not add the cart page. Do not add any other the checkout page. Do not add it. You just need the shop page. From the shop page that it goes to the cart page, that goes to the checkout page, or go to the account page, depending on whatever it is in mind. But always do not put those pages. The main page you need to worry about is the shop page. So we're going to add the shop page. Click on it. You check it. Then we'll add to menu. And it's going to show here, right? Now, because the shop page is as important as all of them, I'm going to put it at close to the top, right, together with the home page, so that it's going to flow with the remaining. I'm going to edit this the word home page. Just going to edit it to home. It's only going to edit here. It's not going to edit on the main file. So you are safe here. Then I'm going to save. Now, it's still not going to show on our website yet. It's still not going to show on our website yet because we have not done one thing. And once I do this one thing, you don't need to do it again. Once I do this one thing, you don't need to do it again. I'm going to go back to the menu section. Now down here, you see display location, right? I'm going to click on this primary. So I'm identifying that's our primary menu. And I'm also going to identify it as our footer menu because it's not plenty. It's few. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right? If it was plenty, I'm not going to put it. But because
Okay.
it's short, I'm going to leave it. So I'm going to save it. Now that it's saved, I'm going to go to our page and I'm going to refresh it. And hopefully, let's wait for this one to finish loading. If we did everything well, it should show. Because I'm looking at something and I'm seeing as if it's not going to show. I feel it's not. Oh, it showed. Wow. Boom. Now you have your menu, your home, shop, about us, blog, and contact. Right?
Okay. Yeah, that's what it was asking for. I thought
Yeah.
it was the menu for food.
No. It was just asking for you to check it's just asking for you to do this one, just this place here.
Okay.
Just this place here. That's all it was asking you to do. So, but before we did this, we just wanted to set this one properly, set it well, so that it will not be displaying what is not supposed to display. So now it's displaying what is required from us. Then we have all our pages down well. Now, but here, note something. This is not the main page that we want. We're done. Oh. Okay, let's slide down. See the menu here for the about page. We need to change this one too.
Yeah.
We still have a lot of things to change actually. We're gonna do one more thing, then we're done. I'm gonna come back here.
That
Okay, go ahead. Ask question.
No, I was saying that because you're saying that's not the page that we want as the home page.
Yeah. Okay. You know
So
when we're editing the homepage, this doesn't look like the homepage that we're editing, right?
yeah,
Yeah.
yeah.
Yeah. So to make this,
This was the blog.
yeah, this the blog. So to make this actually show the homepage that we will want, right? To make it show the
Yeah.
homepage we will want, we'll go to appearance. Let me come here first. We'll go to appearance, then you come to customize. Now customize is like the main settings of your website. Most of the things you do here will edit the entire website. I'm sure one way or another you have come here and you have edited some things here.
Yeah, edited the logo.
Yeah, exactly. So now theme settings, you come here, you edit some things that have to do with your theme, maybe like the general settings, your style settings, your menu settings. Please do not touch all these things. Your website is already fine as it is. You create your menu settings. You can change the color if you want. You can change this one actually. This one is like depends on you. But I think I like the
You like
white.
the colors.
The white is cool. The banner settings, whatever. Right?
Mm.
Blogging settings. I'm going to remove. Okay, no sidebar. That's good. That's a good one. Footer settings. I want to leave the footer because it's fine. Site identity. Yeah, good. We did a lot of things already. Wonderland, a quick healthy treat. Menus. Ignore this menu here. It's the same thing with the other one. Widget. Please ignore widget. Please ignore widget. Please do not touch widgets. Now, this is
Okay.
where we're going to make the main changes that we want. Home page settings. I'm going to click on it. Then you see here it says your home page displays your latest posts. Now that's not what we want. We want it to be actually a static page. Then we're going to, since we click on the static page, we're going to select the page that is our home page. Now it says home page. We're going to select the home page that we labeled that other time. I'm going to select
Okay.
it. and it's going to like load and transform to the main settings that we want, that the main page that we want, which is this one, right?
Yeah.
Now we're going to select our post page because we have to select it just to be safe. So we're going to select it as the blog that we choose, that we chose that time. So blog and home pages, our home page selected. From here, we're going to just click on publish. We publish this, we can go back. Then now we can go back to that page that we loaded, and I think this is the home page. Just gonna refresh this, and voila, it's done. All right. Okay.
Yeah.
Pizza, please remove this picture.
Pizza is there.
Okay, this is actually a resolution slider.
Yeah.
This is a resolution because this is too much. Wow. This is also a slider.
Yeah. I need to go and check how it was being,
Yeah, you may
how
have.
you showed us to work on it.
Yeah, you may have to reduce the sizes of them or even remove some because it looks like it's hovering over
Everything.
everything. You may have to remove some. You may have to what's it called? Okay, like this one now. This one is okay. I feel. Yeah, this one is okay. But if you remove, because we said we're going to remove this download app. If we remove
Yeah.
this download app, it's still going to hover over this place here. So when you remove it, check how it looks like first. If it's still gonna cause a lot of trouble, you may have to remove it. This one looks fine, I feel.
Yeah.
Just edit it the best way you want. Then what again? Although, but this one looks like it's causing a lot of problems here. So you may have to remove this one, or I rather add something or reduce the size so that it fits what you want to do.
Mhm.
So yeah, you have you have a good one here actually. So yeah, I think
Yeah. Just click the pages I see if they open up.
yeah,
Click the pages on the
menu. Okay, well, we're already on the home page, so let's click on the shop page. It's going to show our shop, how the shop looks like. Product. Now you have our pounded yam and egusi here. Alright, so you can add to cart. Gonna load. Okay, add to
Has
cart.
it come to the shop? I'm not seeing on screen.
Can you, are you seeing on screen? Can you see my
I
screen?
think it's stuck.
You're seeing
Yeah, oh, okay, now I see.
you're seeing product, right?
Yeah,
Product, you slide down, then you can see our yam and pounded yam and egusi soup, the one I created. So you create as many as you want, and please add an image. I'm gonna click on add to cart. Then when I click on add to cart, I'm gonna click on view cart. It's gonna show our cart. Then depending on the number of plates I want, I add my plates, maybe 10 plates. Then update. Good. Then I click on checkout to pay. And then put the information, my address, apartment, my phone number, my email address. Then I can place my order. But since I was not connected to a payment platform, when we connect to M-Pesa or any payment platform that works well for us, then we can move to the next stage. Yep. So that's for shop. Now let's go to about us.
okay. Hello.
Yeah, I'm still here. I'm still here. We're waiting for the page to load.
Oh, yeah,
All
because
right.
you had disappeared.
Sorry. All right. Now the About Us page is loaded. You can now see just as we saw it last time. I think, yeah, you're right. This is a resolution slider. So what you need to do is to reduce the size. I think reduce the size of the image that is there so that it just fits in this particular look, in this rectangle. I think,
Okay.
yeah, check, find it, then they're going to be different resolution sliders. That's what it means. They're going to be multiple resolution sliders for you. So you have to go through them one by one and reduce the sizes, or you remove them depending on the one that fits for you best. So you have your resolution slider there. You have my whatever faces here. Reviews, you know how to change that. These are images, just like how we talked about. Oh, whoa, whoa, mistake. Oh shit, sorry, I did something.
Mm.
Yeah, just like we talked about, these are images, so it depends on what you want to do. Maybe you create a new design or you remove them entirely. So
Okay.
have that in mind. So now let's go to our blog page. Please remove all the blog posts that are not yours. I'm sure I know you haven't posted yet.
Yeah.
I'm gonna remove this. So this is the blog page that was doing as our homepage before.
Yeah.
So please remove all these pages. Go to your posts. To remove them, go to your dashboard. On your dashboard, see your blog post here. Just like when we, or should I just do it?
Yeah.
There are few. Just select all. I'm gonna leave one, or let me leave one with picture. Or let me just leave these two. Let me leave these two. Select them. Move to trash. Apply. After you move to trash, you enter trash again. Then you delete those ones. When you deleted, you come to trash. Enter trash because it will remain in trash. Then click on empty trash right here.
Okay.
Okay, that is for posts. All right, then finally contact. Wait for it to load. So I think we have everything we require for now. All right, we can always add more pages, or the rest. You add more pages, add it on the menu so that you have what you want. Um,
Mm. I think I'll start with this for now.
yeah, you can start with this for now. You can actually start with this for now, so
Yeah.
we can edit what we can do. So yeah, uh, let's see. Did that thing change? Okay, it actually did. So you have your general Nairobi map already working, so that's good. So yeah, that's it. That's
Yeah.
that for that. So you can
Thank
easily
you.
edit it. Sure. Let me stop recording. All right. Any other
Thank you
question?
very
Any question?
much.
I think we can work with this for now. Then any other
Yeah.
information, just let me know. I may upload this on. I should upload this as soon as possible. I'll upload it on YouTube. Then I'll send it to you. Or
You put it on you.
yes, I will post it. No, 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 no. I'll post it on YouTube, but nobody else will see it. You have the link. You have the. It's only when you have the link that you see it, but nobody else will
Oh,
see it. Yeah, that's what I did for all our classes. I
okay.
I just upload it on YouTube so that people can you can view it if you have the link. But if you don't have the link,
Okay.
you won't see it. You won't see it.
Okay.
So you can always go back to it. Maybe after this period, it's always there permanently.
Yeah, I'll go through it. You really helped me. Thank you. Let me ask you,
Yeah, sure.
if, say, for example, okay, after the program,
Yeah.
let's say somebody wants to maintain you, like, just for to be like part of the team? To how like how much will it cost?
Oof. I am quite expensive.
Yeah, I guess so.
I am quite expensive, but what I'll do for you guys is to do like a funny discount because I collect $1,000 per month. So um, okay, I collect
So,
$1,000. I collect a thousand.
sorry,
Can you hear me?
I lost you again.
Okay, apologies. Sorry.
You saying?
Okay, can you hear me now?
Yeah.
Okay, to develop a website, I collect $1,000 to $1,000 to develop a website. But to maintain a website, I just collect 200 $200 per month. So what
When you're gone.
maybe a week. Maybe that I don't think of. Maybe not think of it right now. when maybe when maybe after the class we can have like a discussion outside that after the program rather. But
Yeah.
no problem. I'm actually do well open for that. It's not a problem.
Hello.
Hello, can you hear me? Hello. Okay, my flat. Okay, hold on.
Hello.
Hello, can you hear me now? Yeah, sorry, apologies. My what's it called? Because I was recording, the laptop kind of okay. I finished recording, so it's compiling the video. So the laptop will kind of a little bit hang for a period of time, just so that it will get itself in place first. Um, let me take it out. Okay. It's I actually do I develop websites for $1,000, right? Then $9 per month. That's my payment. But what I will do for you guys if you guys decide to like require help after this period, this I don't fully think of it now. I don't think of it now in full, but maybe we can do like a few discussion depending on your budget or what you have in mind. But yeah, that's literally my price range to be honest with you. Yeah, per month. That's how much I charge my clients anyways. But $200 is like it's cheap now. $200 is small. Okay, maybe for startup maybe after we finish doing our discussions or something, maybe we decide to slash it. Maybe we slash it to uh minus 30% or so minus 30%. So maybe you guys should pay like 70% of it. But I don't think of it now. Let me not think of it now so that my mind will not be on that for now. Yeah, but we can always discuss on that. Yeah, but that's actually the my structure. That's how much we do our things here, so that we have issues. But yeah, so that's for the website. So yeah, the what? The coil. Okay, good. The coil. You have to finish your website as soon as possible to get access to coil. Actually, so please try and finish the website as soon as possible. The coil, right? Is just like It's actually a funny way of use. It's still very funny. I'm still trying to understand it myself, but what with what I know about it, is just like a regular system for um, gaining money when somebody views your website. Yeah, you every time your website loads, there's a every time somebody loads your website, you get like a small token. Yeah, you get like a small token. So the more higher your traffic you get right on the website, the more you get money on it. And some people also can also send money to you through the coil, so that maybe the person loves what you're doing, the person sees that what you're doing is cool, is nice, then the person now sends money to the website, um, sends money through you. So you can literally send money through coil, to other people, through the website. So it's a nice initiative. I like it actually, but it's a new technology. It's a new technology. It's not very popular, so it's still growing. But I believe that kind of system, everybody will want to make money from their website. So it's just a few years from now that it will become very very popular. So it's actually very cool that we're among the, I won't say first people using it, but we're among the first set of individuals using a new technology. This kind of technology, see, because we're the first, we're the ones that will chop plenty money from it at the end of the day. So yeah. Okay, for since you're selling something on WooCommerce, that one is different from Coil, right? Coil is you collect when somebody sends money to you through Coil. I think it sends. Well, yeah, if you were in the class for the Coil program per se, when the person for the Coil was doing a meeting, was what's it called, talking, you will create like a wallet, like a, yeah, Bitcoin sort of wallet. You create like a wallet, like all those kind of rubbish wallets, like USDT wallet, your Binance, or Luno, Crypto.com. You create like a wallet. There's a specific wallet that they use, anyways. You create that wallet. Once you create that wallet, you can now use that wallet to collect your money, to collect your funds. There's the information that I think I still have the slides. Yeah, I have the slides for that particular presentation. Maybe if I find it, I'll send the link to you. It's on my Google Docs. I think no, I think I downloaded it anyways. I'll find it anyways. I find it, I'll send it to you guys again, via the Telegram group. So no, no problem, no problem. You can just go through it, how it works. Yeah, yeah. How do you cash out at the end of the day? Yeah, I think is for now. I think he didn't explain to us how we will cash out. Actually, he didn't explain that one to us. But I think the main thing he just explained to us was how we can collect our money, but how we can gather, how we can collect money from money people and send money to other people. Right? It's just to link. It's just to be within a period of days. That's actually a good question. No, because it's a new technology, we have nobody I don't know anybody that has tried it yet to cash out. But Yeah, I think it's something we'll look into maybe on the later end. We'll definitely look into it on the later end. Yeah, 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 yeah. It's alright. It's alright. Yes, ma'am. Oh my god. We'll think about it, but we definitely will think about it. Well, we don't think about it. We don't think about it now, so that our mind do not be there. But we definitely after the decision we can always, well, since we're always you use WhatsApp, right? I think WhatsApp was supposed to be the original mode of communication. But maybe at the end of the class when we're done, all of us in Telegram will migrate to WhatsApp so that it will be easier to communicate with ourselves. Then okay, yeah, yeah, yeah. So yeah, no problem. We'll we'll kick off again. Sure. Ah, I don't know. I don't know about that. I don't know. I don't know about that, but hopefully it's gonna. All I want is at least for everyone to have theirs running as soon as possible and get everything in place. So yeah, no problem. No problem. Thank you. You too. Definitely. Please do. Thank you. Amen. Rest well. Bye.